it's LJ here, and today we're going to be making sugar scrub. But before we get started, I want y'all to check out my video of when I got my hair done. So, today we're going to be making not only just sugar scrub, orange sugar scrub. So now let's go to the ingredients. So here are the ingredients. We have some sugar, a measuring cup, which is 1 cup, and a bowl that I'm using a smaller / medium one. But if you follow my recipe, I'm kind of just feeling the recipe out. So I'm not making a big batch, but if you are, you're gonna need to double the recipe or triple it or whatever you want. So next we have an orange. I think it's a red orange. This is optional, you don't really need it. Some containers. The oil, the orange oil. This little thingamajiggy to get the oil out, or you don't have to have this, you can just use the actual like tapper thingy, but we took it out. Then we have a grater and a plate. So, oh, and I almost forgot almost the most important thing, coconut oil. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna take your sugar and get a cup of sugar to start out with. We may add more, but just for right now. So I'm getting the cup. And we measured, it takes about half of a cup for each container, I think. So that's why we're doing 2. A little bit more. That's good. So now we're going to pour it into the bowl. And now let's set this aside along with its top. And now we're going to get some coconut oil. Now you can melt it in the microwave if you want, which honestly is not a bad idea, so I'm going to do that. Before I microwave it, I'm going to take this spoon and put it in here as best as I can. And these probably aren't the best because they keep, collapsing. But we will try our best to get it in. So I'm going to use my finger, and you can use the side there. So you want a cup of this to start out with. Don't put any of your ingredients away. Well, I put them to the side, but because you're probably most likely going to need more, because once we add the oils, it may get too oily or too dry, or you never know. Now the oil does take up, the coconut oil does take up a lot of the scent, which you are going to add way more than the recipe says. So I'm just kind of feeling it out. But I will say after it sits, it does smell better than right now because you're taking all the coconut oil in. So that's just in your nose. So I think this is about good right here. So we are going to microwave it. So actually, I was wrong. You can microwave it, but for this recipe, I'm not going to because it'll be too oily. So, let's pour it in. Okay, let me get this spoon to scoop some of it off. Okay. So I'm just going to put these over to the side, and for now, we are going to mix this. So I will fast forward this up. So I decided to put my hands in so it would be easier because the spoon wasn't really mixing them together. So I decided to do that. So once all of them, you can like clump together basically, you can start to put the oil in. So mine's pretty much clumped together, so let's put the oil in. So now I'm going to be adding the oil. So you know how they say a little bit goes a long way? Well, that's the opposite for this. A little bit does not help because the coconut oil is so strong. So now I'd say about, if you don't have a dropper, 20 drops. So this is just about 2 of these, and then I will stir it, and then I will smell it. And if I can't really smell it, I'll keep doing that. So I will fast forward it until I am satisfied with it. So I will show y'all, or see y'all when I'm satisfied. Okay guys, it actually didn't take long. I'm not satisfied, but it is getting kind of liquidy, and if you want it to turn out how ours did a couple of days ago, it's not how sugar scrub is supposed to be. So since we're leaving the house tomorrow to go back to my house, we're going to show you the ones that we made earlier, which aren't the best, but if you follow it, the recipe, how I'm doing it this time, it should work out. So I'm going to set this aside and get my orange. So I didn't show the zest part, and because it would take a while and it's kind of hard to show. So make sure you grate your orange, and this is zest. And you can add more. I just did that much. And then in here, I have some lemon, some orange juice. Not a lot, just enough to make it more flavorful. So I already put some in off camera, but I'm going to put some more in. And then stir it. And then smell it to make sure. It's not smelling like oranges yet, but it will later. So now I'm going to add the zest. Let's get all of it, as much as we can. Okay, so that's enough for now. So if you mix it, see, it's very pretty. And it kind of changes the color a little bit. So as you can see, it's kind of like icing. So that's why we're going to get more sugar. So now I have the sugar, and as you can see, it's not very thick. Well, I mean, it's thick, but it's kind of just runny. And that's not what sugar scrub is. So now I have my sugar, and I'm just going to kind of feel it out, kind of sprinkle some more sugar. And stir that up, and we want it to be pretty thick. We may have to add some more coconut oil. So I know this looks like a lot, but like I said, you're gonna need it. So just kind of, this recipe you kind of feel out. It's getting a little bit thicker, as you can see. It's coming off the bowl a little bit, it's more thicker. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, well, a lot more, and then I'm going to maybe add some coconut oil. So let's stir this in. And I think this is pretty good. So I will see you when I have the containers. So, did you know this expands? Like, wow. Just kidding. We remember the ones that I was talking about that weren't the greatest. We mixed them in and put more sugar, and it's very thick now, which is a good thing. So now we're going to, and remember how it's so liquidy? I added some sugar. So let's put that to the side. And now I'm going to get some bowls and put them in. Okay, so now I got the smaller spoon, and I'm going to put it into this one. So, whoa. Oh gosh, okay. And pack it in there. You want to get as much as you can. We're definitely going to fill it more than 2. Maybe 4, 5. Definitely 4. So the first one is done. So now I'm going to, these sit overnight, but since we don't have time tomorrow to film, we're going to show you tonight. But they should harden. Shouldn't they, cameraman? Overnight? Yes, they should. That says the cameraman. We should have a revealing of who the cameraman is one video. I think we should.
I think you're right.
Y'all Grandma. Can you edit that out? Okay. Yeah, I think comment down below if you, or find a way to tell us if we can't comment down below. I don't know what YouTube has done, but find a way to tell us if you want to see who the cameraman is. He's more than the cameraman. He's the editor. He is the man who put the hard work into this. So make sure, please comment down below because he's a very fun guy. He's not my brother. And he's about to laugh on camera. Just show your hand, cameraman. So, you should meet him. Maybe he can be in some of our videos. He's very nice. And maybe you should meet the lady, the lady cameraman. She's sitting on the couch right now. So sorry for all those jokes. So now, we're going to put some labels on them. So I'll see you when I have the labels. Hey guys, I need to tell you something. The cameraman has candy in his car. Now back to the video. To add a nice touch to it, we have these little sticker things which you can also print out, which would take a lot of work. Or you can color anything to put on top. So I've practiced a couple of times. So these are stickers and I'm going to use a Sharpie. So I'm going to write orange sugar scrub. And then I like to put a little heart at the end. And I'm going to do the rest off camera so it doesn't take a while. But these circles fit literally perfect. And like I'm doing mine simple, but if you want to do more detail, go for it. But I'm just doing it very simple. So that's basically what it looks like. So I will see you when I have all of them done. And we have our guest tester, Philip. Yeah! I'm good, guys. So, we have some sugar scrub for you to test. Since this one was halfway, you're gonna test it.
Okay.
Does it smell good?
Smells like lemonade.
Awesome. So let's go test it.
Let's go to the bathroom.
So we are at the bathroom now, and we have this orange sugar scrub for him to try. So it has not set all night long, so it may be a little bit runny, but are you ready to try?
Yes.
Get it on your finger. Now rub it, and it's supposed to get all the dead skin off. All the way like you have soap, like this. Ooh, that feels good. Oh, it's all over me. Okay, we should have probably wet our hands before this. Okay, put them in, and your hands will be super soft and smell good.
Yeah, they're really soft.
What do you think?
It's amazing.
Dry your hands in.
It's amazing.
The camera's over there, Sean. Okay, guys, so would you make this ever?
Yeah.
Tell the truth.
Probably not.
But would you recommend this for people?
Yeah.
So I guess that's it for today's video. Make sure to comment down below what you want us to do next, and if you want to see that cameraman, and which he will be in our next video.
Yeah.
And comment down what you want to do next, what you want us to do next, either a slime video or whatever, or a challenge, because this house has so many hiding places. That would be cool, like last to be found or
But
something.
you know what? I will disappear.
Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!